Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, welcome to Peacock Way. In today's project, I'm doing this mixed media art journal page. I'm using watercolor paper, 140 pound, and then I'm using this metallic watercolor paints. First I'm spraying on the page and then I'm going to color it. And these are new metallic watercolor paint, so I'm just trying out this. So I'm using two different colors on the background. I'm going to add many layers so it becomes nice and dark. You can use any mediums like distress oxide sprays or acrylic paints, any of those for the background. So I just wanted to try something new. That's why I'm using this metallic paint. So if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell button and turn the notification on so you can see my new videos. So once I color everything, I'm going to dry it and then put the second layer. I'm making it darker now. Now I'm using this stencil which is from Faber-Castell, and I'm using some acrylic paints, and then I'm going to dab it on the page to get some texture for the background. Now I'm going to dry everything before I put the stamps. I'm using some stamps to give some more texture on the background. Now I'm using this tissue paper which I had it for a long time, and I love this pattern, so I'm going to be using it also on the background to give some more texture to the background. So I'm using matte medium for sticking this um, tissue paper. I'm trying to put it on the tissue paper so that I won't smudge it, because I used metallic watercolor paint, so I didn't want to smudge everything, so that's why I'm using it on the tissue paper, and then on the top I'm putting the matte medium again. Now I'm also adding another tissue paper. This also gives another texture to the background. I'm using this Tim Holtz stamps. Now I'm going to cut the excess which is on the top. I'm adding some other elements also on the background. You can add any other elements also if you have. Now I'm going to stick this beautiful butterfly as a focal point. So I'm going to just darken the edges of the butterfly. Now I'm going to use this acrylic paint and I'm going to splatter it. And I'm doing the same as well with the black paint. Now I'm going to dry everything before I put the sentiment. Hope you enjoyed watching it. This finishes my project. If you like it, please subscribe, click on the thumbs up icon and leave your comments below. I will see you in my next project with the new ideas. Thanks for watching again. I'll see you then. Bye.